What's going on, everyone? Thank you for attending WeCast. This is the brand new all-purpose soft bait hook from Owner. Now, we've got two different versions here, the standard and the ringed. Now, the standard here is going to be applicable to all your soft bait needs, whether you're throwing fluke style baits, whether you're throwing Texas rigs, free rigs, Carolina rigs. This will be your new standard here. So this comes in a multitude of different sizes, from a size 1 all the way up to a 5/0. So whether you're throwing slimmer body baits or thicker body lures, this will be pretty universal on each of those. For the ringed version, it goes from a 2/0 up to a 5/0, and this is great for your techniques that when you snap your bait, like your soft jerk baits, your free rigs, anything like that, this is going to be a great option for you to give you a little bit more movement. Now, when it comes to some of the technology in these, this does have the Z-Lock from Owner. It has that little over-exaggerated locking area that keeps your soft baits up on that little turn there, as well as a silky gray finish. This is not a standard hook that is very, very black and dark. This is actually going to be a little bit lighter, and it also does have a very slick coating on it. Another really cool thing is, of course, the super needle point, ultra sharp. Owner is known for having really, really sharp hooks that also stay really, really sharp. So this one here is a wide gap, an extra wide gap with a little bit more of a medium curve. So that's going to help your hookup ratio, and it's also going to help you land fish, keeping them on the hook for the duration of the fight. So y'all, I hope you enjoy the all new all-purpose hooks, soft bait hooks from Owner, ringed and standard. Thanks for coming to WeCast, guys.